Hey everyone, as you may or may not already know, we at Cardo have updated our entire product line to now be able to have a true native Bluetooth intercom pairing with any Sena headset running on Bluetooth 4.1 or higher. So let's get right to it. I'll show you how to pair these two headsets for intercom. This is the Cardo Spirit HD model and the Sena SF4, which is the same as the SFR. Let's go ahead and turn on the Spirit HD. And we'll power up the SF4. And on the Cardo side, we'll just put it into normal Bluetooth intercom pairing mode. We'll do the exact same thing on the SF4. It's native Bluetooth intercom pairing mode. And then tap the center button one time and wait for the two to connect. All right, we can tell by the double blue flashing that these two are connected. I can close the intercom with a 2-second hold on the Cardo side. I can open the intercom on the Sena side if I'd like to. Intercom is now open. Tap it again to close it. And of course, I can activate the intercom on the Cardo side as well. Intercom is now open. These units are paired with each other and ready to go. We know that that's been one of the most requested features. And to be able to pick any Cardo that you want, pair it up with your buddy, even though they chose that other unit, it's a big deal. It's your feedback that's the source for these advancements. So keep the feedback coming. We're not done yet. And know that we're committed to making that connection process as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching. See you next time.